Manila, Philippines. The magnitude 6.6 earthquake that struck Batangas and other parts of Luzon on Saturday was due to the movement in the Manila Trench and not in any way connected to Taal Volcano's activity, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said. Ang lindol po kaninang alas 4:48 ng madaling araw ay sanhi ng pagkilos sa tinatawag nating Manila Trench, kung saan ang bloke ng bato nanggagaling sa West Philippines, sumusuksok, pailalim at umabot dyan sa ilalim ng area ng Calatagan at Mindoro. At ito po ay walang kinalaman sa volcanic activity ng Taal Volcano. Ito po ay madalas na mangyari at minsan ang mga lindol dito sa bandang ilalim ng Calatagan ay nararamdaman dito sa Metro Manila. Taal Volcano status has been lowered to alert level 2 due to decreased unrest after it had a phreatomagmatic eruption on July 1. The magnitude 6.6 earthquake was felt in parts of Metro Manila, Rizal, Bulacan, Laguna, Cavite, Oriental Mindoro, and Occidental Mindoro. Solidum said over 80 aftershocks have so far been recorded, the strongest of which happened at 4:57 a.m. with a magnitude of 5.5. No damage nor casualty has so far been reported, he added. Wala naman pong casualty na nai-report. Kadalasan po ng nararamdaman na pagyanig ay intensity 5 lamang. Malakas po siya pero hindi mapanira. Pero dito po sa bandang Calatagan, meron pong ibang mga landslides na nangyari at may mga bahay na may kaunting sira. Ito naman po ay hindi extensive.